So dear friends, welcome to Electric Vehicles channel and I am Krishnitane Mandela. So this video is all about the basics about electric vehicles. Because if you want to buy an electric vehicle, you should have some basic knowledge to analyze whether this vehicle is suitable for me or not. Because I have seen so many comments asking what is the best electric scooter in 50,000 rupees or what is the best electric bike in 80,000 rupees. I can answer those questions, but instead that, if I can give you the knowledge to analyze an electric vehicle based on its motor, battery pack, charging time, these factors will help you to judge an electric vehicle by your own. So let's start the video now. So in an electric vehicle, the major component is battery pack, which is like the heart. And the second part is the brain, which is the motor. So what is the motor power? So how to know this electric vehicle having the best motor power or the worst motor power? So before we knowing that, we have to know the units of a motor. So the units of a motor pack is watts. So what does this watts? So how can you know this is a powerful motor or a low performance motor? So I will give you a basic example. In all our houses, in the morning when you woke up, we used to buy a milk packet, and the quantity of a milk packet is around 250 ml or 500 ml or 1 liter as well. Just imagine the motor pack like 250 watts and compare with like a 250 ml of milk packet and a 1 liter milk packet like 1 kilowatt motor power. So what I'm telling here is the more the watts, the more powerful your motor becomes. But off the record, just to clarify that this is purely for the basic knowledge and milk is nowhere related to motor power. For technical guys, I'm just sharing this, and this is for the non-technical persons, someone who want to understand the motor, everything. So back to our motor power. So in an electric scooter or an electric bike, the lowest power is 250 watts. Consider the 250 watts as the lowest motor power that is available in India. So the lowest motor power electric scooter helps you to go for short distance commuting, like go and get some groceries or pick your children from schools and you just go move around. Those kind of things, you can go for 250 watts motor. And if you want to go for high performance electric vehicles, then you better start with 1.5 kilowatt motors up to 3 kilowatt motors or more than that. But point to be noted here, for an electric two-wheeler, the highest rated motor is present in Bajaj Chetak electric scooter. So the rated motor power is 3.8 kilowatt, which is highest in an electric scooter so far in India. So the next scooter is Ather 450X. The motor power is 3.3 kilowatt. Now you might have a doubt, like most of the electric scooters available in India are low powered motors, right? Should I buy this electric scooter or not? Then you have two answers for you. The first answer is, what is the range you are using this electric scooter? Are you going to use this electric scooter only for the rider, or you want to use it with 1 pillion or 2 pillions as well? If your answer is only for one rider, and definitely I will suggest you to go for 250 watts motor electric scooter. In other cases also you can choose this 250 watt motor electric scooter, like short distance commuting also, even the load capacity up to 150 kgs, I will suggest the low speed electric scooter. But if you want more pickup in your electric vehicle or you want to compete with a petrol scooter, definitely I will suggest more power electric motor. In simple words, if you want more pickup, you need more powerful motor. So that's all about motors. So from these points, you can understand, like if you get more watts, then the motor will be more powerful. And in the same way, you will get more power and more acceleration. So now second part is about battery. So what is this battery pack? So the battery pack is considered as the heart of an electric vehicle. So from heart only, it will get the energy to feed to the motor. So the battery power is rated in watt hours. So what is this watt hours, right? And I will give you one more example, your electricity bill. Generally, you will get an electricity bill in terms of units. You might have consumed 100 units or 120 units or 200 units or 500 units as well. So just consider your 1 unit of electricity as 1 kilowatt hour of battery power. So if your battery pack is 1 kilowatt hour, then you will get an electricity bill of 1 unit. In the same way, if you are using an electric bike like Revolt RV400, the battery pack in RV400 is 3.24 kilowatt hour, which means the electricity bill for one full charge is 3.24 units. That sounds sense. In the same way, if you are using a 1 kilowatt hour battery pack, you will get an electricity bill of 1 unit. So the higher the battery pack, you will get more range. In the sense, consider two electric scooters as examples. One is ePluto 7G. The ePluto 7G having a battery capacity of 2.5 kilowatt hour, and on the other hand, consider Hero Photon as an example. And the Hero Photon has a battery power of 1.8 kilowatt hour. So if we compare both these in terms of battery power, the ePluto 7G having more battery power, which means the ePluto 7G will give you more range. So from these factors, we can understand like the more battery power you get, the more range you will get. But at the same time, if your battery pack is more, you will get more electricity bill as well. But the electricity bill is very less. But how less is the electricity bill? Consider your smartphone. The average power consumption of a smartphone is 25 watt hour, which means it's like 10 times lesser than your battery pack of considering a 250 watt hour battery pack. So always remember that electric vehicles consumes very less power in terms of battery. But it's okay up to electric two-wheelers. What about electric cars? A car like Tata Nexon EV having a battery capacity of 30.2 kilowatt hour, and the highest range electric car in India, Hyundai Kona EV having a battery pack of 39.2 kilowatt hour. So in cars, the battery pack is almost like 10 times bigger than, even 20 times bigger than an electric two-wheeler. So for electric cars, it's better to charge at a charging station rather at home, because for a one charge itself, it will consume up to 30 kilowatt hour. So if you charge it for twice in a week, it will reach the slab. So every state having a slabs, like one slab up to one slab, the unit electricity price is like 1.45 rupees, and the slab goes up, the electricity bill will be increases. So for electric cars, it's suggested to charge at a charging station. So up to now we have discussed a battery pack and motor and its units. Now coming to the third part, which is the charger. Even the charger is a major part in an electric vehicle, because without charging we can't move, right? So the charger rating is generally in amps, and an electric scooter charger starts from 5 amp hour or 6 amp hour. And here the more amp hour means you will get less charging time, which means considering an electric scooter having a battery pack of 2 kilowatt hour and you are charging that vehicle with a 5 amp hour charger, the charging time might be around 5 hours. But if you are using a 10 amp hour charger, the charging time will be reduced to 3 hours. In the same way, the more amp hour charger you are using, the lesser the charging time will be. So hope you understand what kind of motor you need to choose, or what kind of battery pack you want to choose, and also what kind of charger you need to select. In the next video, we want to know about why electric vehicles should be termed as range, not mileage, and what is the difference between ARAI range and real range, and how electric vehicles are becoming water and dust proof. And if you're having any questions, please ask them in the comment section below. Go green, go electric. Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.